So let's talk about this error in Bayesian optimization package in Python programming language, which you can see the Bayesian optimization fails due to float error. So you can see it says type error, float object is not subscriptable. And you can see that here is my Bayesian optimization. And if I run the code, you can see it starts running the Bayesian optimization, but suddenly it encounters with this error. So in order to fix this problem, you should downgrade the SciPy version. It is a conflict with the newer version of SciPy. So in order to do so, you should open the terminal. So after opening the terminal, first of all, you should uninstall the previous version of SciPy. So you should simply type pip uninstall SciPy, and you should press enter. And it asks you for the verification. So you should pass yes, and you should press enter. And you can see the SciPy package has been uninstalled. So now you should install a specific version of SciPy which doesn't conflict with Bayesian optimization package. In order to do so, you should simply type pip install SciPy, and you should specify the version of SciPy. So you should put a 2 equal sign, then you should simply type 1.7.2, and you should press enter. So remember that you should have internet connection. So first of all, it is going to download this specific version of SciPy, and then it is going to install that. And now we can see this specific version of SciPy has been installed. So let's close the terminal, and I should wait for indexing and these processes. So I should wait a couple of seconds. And now if I run the code again, you can see the Bayesian optimization package is working properly, and you can see we don't encounter with any error. So as a matter of fact, the error has been fixed. Now I really suggest you to watch this video, which is on the screen now.